Yala. This is Julia.
The lemon is
Ang daldal kasi nito na. Let's go. This one, I like this one. What is this? Heavy jewel of the Nile. Very nice. This is this one.
lemon
What
orange.
is this one now? This is a olive. I don't know what is this. Very nice, you see. Like this kind of. I don't know what is kind of name. This one. Very. This black olive. Camellia. You can buy this one already have fruits. You see. Very nice. But it's very nice. Just a small one. Organic yung binigay na lang yan naman. That's good na. Gusto kong gumawa ganito. Mag-ano sa Pilipinas ang ganitong paggawaan. Ay paano taniman. Sa TV. Yung ganito. Let's go.